Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SE Learners. I am Mehwish and hope you are all fine. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to perform different operations onto values of the variable or using constant values. So let's begin. Today we are performing addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. First using variables. So to use variable we have to declare them. I'm using int type variables A, B. Initializing it, any value you want. B, 2. Here we have to declare a third variable also to store the operation of A and B, means A plus B, A minus B, these operations. So I'm using double type because we have to divide it also. It can give floating point value. Double result A plus B. Now we have to use system dot out. Sorry for misspelled. Println and the name of the variable where the result is stored. Here 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Now 6 has been stored in the result variable. So we can just simply print the variable by using its name. Control S, I had already saved it. So compile it. Run it. So the result is 6.00 because I have used double type variable, so it is giving point values. Now subtract. Control S. Every time you make changes to the program you have to compile it again. So 2 minus 4 means 4 minus 2 equals to 2.0. So it's 2. Multiplication, use a static sign, Control S, compile it, run it again. So 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. So due to double it is 8.0. Now for the division use backslash, Control S, compile it and run it. So 4 divided by 2 equals to 2.0. We have performed operations using variables. Now we can use constant values. So you can just simply erase all this. We can perform operations in print statement also using constant values. So in println statement, write the value again 4 plus 2. Control S, compile it, now run it. So 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Because we didn't use variables, so it is just using int type variables. Because 4 is an integer value and 2 is an integer value. If we use 2.0, it will change the result. So subtraction, Control S. Here 4 minus 2 equals to 2. For division using backslash. So this is the end of my video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.